Let's talk about a spectral effect. We are in a material and in a color, in a texture, in effects, we have a spectral shader. This spectral shader with this gradient created automatically here is for simulating CD effects. It's better special use of that is that CD effects. You can see it's creating CD effects. For better seeing that, I created disk that looks like a CD rotation segment, and I will rotate it to better understanding simulate specular of that. And we need interactive render region, make the quality at the highest number. And for better seeing that, I need a standard light to see that specular, to see this specular, and then assign the material to the disk, and you can see this CD effect very easily. And double click to change the settings. This is an intensity. If you want more intense of this effect, you can increase or decrease this number. Right? Yeah, more intense. Vibration means this randomness of creating these effects. You can make it less random or more random. Out of range means that if the object is larger than texture at the edge, stop or mirror it. If you have a more object, or tiling that, you can make it tile. I tell if you reach the border, please stop. Here you can change the light to see that effect, changing that effect. More up. Nice, you can see that. This is the gradient that's automatically created here. This is then, if you turn it off, we don't we have something like this. Is for better seeing a disk, you have to activate use CD effects. You can change the width. It's better to change that. It's change this width of this effect. For example, the lower number. You can see that. Each color has a peak and then fall off. You can change that. For example, lower number or higher number. V factor is all about the center. For example, a higher number is created create a circle. That effect will be created after that. The 100% means it's exactly create begin from the center. Diffuse intensity, if you want, you can more saturate color or diffuse vibrance, random of that intensity. In some cases, if you front side, in some cases, if you have issues with that, you have to change this facing side. Now you can see that. In this case, ZX is nice. That's it. It's just for creating this such as CD effects.